Good evening. I would like to thank you all for joining us for our 71st annual meeting. We want you to know that we truly appreciate your membership, and we also thank you for being on our virtual meeting this evening. The annual report will be located in the handout section of this meeting, and it will also be available on our website and in our branch. At this time, I would like to turn the meeting over and introduce our Chairman of the Board of Directors, Mr. Cornelius Chambliss.
Good evening to our credit union members and friends. I would like to call to order this 71st annual meeting of the Hampton Roads Educators Credit Union. I would like to announce that a quorum is present as we have 102 members registered for this call. Now, let me introduce our board of directors. Ms. Gloria Winder, first vice chair. Ms. Jacqueline Smith Watson, second vice chair. Ms. Kimberly Shaw, secretary. Ms. Anita Holland, treasurer. Ms. Lynn Burke. Ms. Rita Raphael. Mrs. Keisha Samuels, and Mr. Donald O. Sandridge. I would like to thank our board of directors for their guidance and dedication to the credit union affairs. The board of directors' responsibility focus primarily on providing leadership, monitoring the general affairs of the credit union. In addition, the board seeks to remain aware of the current economic conditions and provide competitive rates and comprehensive services to our membership. The board's number one priority is to make responsible decisions that are in the best interest of the membership. We are committed to offering financial solutions that make a difference in our members' lives and successfully serve the needs of you and your entire family. We strive to make Hampton Roads Educated Credit Union the financial institution of choice for you and your family. Remember, we have money to lend, but you must pay it back. Now I will turn it back over to our CEO, Ms. Karen Ory.
Good evening again. I would like to give you a moment to get acquainted with our staff. They work hard each day to make sure that you, the members, are taken care of. And I want to personally thank them and let them know that the board of directors, as well as myself, truly appreciate you. So I have the staff listed: Pamela Champ, member service rep; Julie Ferris, member service specialist and head teller; Emma Hoffman, accountant; Carol McCoubois, loan clerk and member service rep; Emily Ortiz, member services specialist; Cindy Richmond, operations and bank secrecy act; Tyrana Smith, loan officer; Kiara Sinclair, member services rep; Carla Sweetenberg, member services specialist; Sue Thrash, marketing; and Cynthia Van Hook, VP of lending. I truly thank you for all that you do, and I hope you as the member know how much we focus on our member service and taking care of your financial needs. As I give my report, I definitely want to say that I'm proud that we're celebrating 71 years. This is my 38th year with the credit union, so I've been through a lot with technology, changes in policies, laws, and just working to offer you the services that will benefit you. We've worked really hard to make sure that we are competitive through technology, products, and services, and the service that we provide you. We still have our defined field of membership, which are educators, school employees, and students, and your family members. We focus on partnering with community organizations that have an interest in financial literacy in our youth. And lastly, I want to thank my supportive board of directors, staff, and committees, and each and every loyal member. We want to be the primary institution of choice. One thing that we try to focus on is our mission. The mission of Hampton Roads Educators is the Hampton Roads Educators Credit Union is committed to offering financial solutions that make a difference in our members' lives. So you're probably wondering how do we do this? So I'm going to give you a few examples. We offer mobile and online banking, which gives you 24/7 access to monitor your account, perform transactions, view your Visa, debit, and credit card transactions, as well as set notifications and alerts. If you look to your right, I'm going to speak about this a little bit later, but to the right is a picture of your mobile app in this case. And right there you see where it says debit cards. This is a new feature that we just recently added. It allows you to stop your card, temporarily stop your card, report fraud, see all your transactions and where you made purchases, including the addresses and phone numbers if you have an issue, and many, many more things that you can do with this by using the debit card feature if you have a checking account and a debit card with us. Our website has information about everything that we offer, and you can also apply for a loan. You can use the link to send payments from other financial institutions, as well as refer your eligible coworkers and family members who are 18 and over to open their accounts online so that they can also share the benefits of membership with Hampton Roads educators. There's also up-to-date information on news and events, as well as many useful resources. In our loan department, we offer competitive rates on our array of loan products, as well as gap insurance that covers your vehicle in the case of a loss, as well as offering one of the best vehicle warranty insurances in the market. As a reminder, warranty insurance is offered for both new and used vehicles that are paid in full, as well as vehicles that you may have financed at another financial institution and want to get warranty insurance for. Contact the loan department for more information on our loans and loan products. Debt protection product is another product that we know that your family means everything to you, and if the unexpected happens, we don't want you to compound that with financial worry. That's why there's debt protection, which may cancel or reduce your loan balance or payments up to contract maximums in the case of involuntary unemployment, disability, and/or death. For even more protection, Life Plus can extend debt protection to address a wide range of circumstances like accidental dismemberment, terminal illness, hospitalization or family medical leave, or the death of a non-protected dependent. Debt protection can also be added to your Visa credit card with us. We also have a partnership with TrueStage to offer life, auto, and home insurance. We have AutoLink car buying service. AutoLink allows you to search for a vehicle and take a test drive, all from the convenience of your home. We want you to go to our website and check it out. Financial wellness is very important to us, and that is why we partner with GreenPath as our financial counseling partner. GreenPath has certified financial counselors that provide all types of free financial services. This service is at no cost to the member because the credit union absorbs that cost. From budgeting, housing, and student loan counseling, as well as debt management plans that can help you to consolidate your unsecured debt by setting up a payment plan that takes the pressure off of you. They offer many other services. Allow GreenPath to help you to regain control of your debt and your life. Don't forget to get your financial wellness checkup as soon as possible. Now I'm going to move on to some other slides. Some of the new technology coming is contactless debit cards. We currently have contactless credit cards, but contactless debit cards are coming. Soon you will be able to just tap and go with your debit card. As of February 2025, I did mention the debit card management tool. So Card Valet, if you have that app, has retired, so you can delete that, and then you just simply go to your mobile app or your internet banking to access your debit card, and just some of the features you can set notifications and alerts and things like that. So this was a big enhancement that we want you to take advantage of. Lastly, please note that we will no longer print and mail the fundamental newsletter, which we announced in our newsletter that went out in January. Future newsletters will be available digitally on our website under the Education and Resources tab. We also encourage everyone to register for eDocs to receive electronic statements. As you know, the cost of mailing packages and mailing envelopes has increased dramatically. And also there's like a big delay lately with getting your mail. So just if you sign up for eDocs to get your statements electronically, you'll actually have them on the 1st of each month. So please look at that. All right, I'm going over some of the things that we did in 2024. We had Shred Day. We always are so thankful to the AKA sorority for volunteering to assist us. They've been helping us for several years now. But coming soon, I know a lot of members have inquired about it. Our Shred Day for this year will not be in April, but it will be on May 10th, which is a Saturday, from 9 a.m. to noon. We want you to start now getting your documents together, your documents that have personal information. It's important that you don't just throw them in the trash, that you bring them to us and let them be shredded by a reliable company. We also support our community partners, and we're always looking for partners that are in line with our strategies here at the credit union. The Academies of Hampton, we have a student-run credit union branch at Hampton High School that's been there since 2009. We want to thank the teacher liaison for the credit union that works at Hampton High, Ms. Marietta Mitchell. The Hampton Education Foundation, they had an event that we supported last year also. And then this list here that you see lists some of the other organizations that we help support in 2024. Next is our teacher financial literacy grants. Each year we put it out there to teachers who do financial literacy projects. And last year we had 4 winners. We had Renee Curry from Phoenix Pre-K, Marcia Edwards Lewis from Phoenix Pre-K, Rhonda Russell from Hampton High School, and also Ms. Mitchell, Ms. Marietta Mitchell from Hampton High School. So we really thank them for, first of all, taking the initiative to come up with some projects that will help our young people. And now I'm going to turn it over. Well, this is our student-run branch, and it has all the students for this school year. And we want to thank all of them for volunteering. We definitely know this is something that is great they took advantage of, and it's something they can put on their resume. And also it's giving them real life experience on financial services and handling their finances. At this time, I'm going to turn it over to our treasurer to give her report, Ms. Anita Holly.
Thank you, Karen. Good evening. My report starts with strong growth in share deposit has allowed us to increase our loan Visa portfolio and maintain investment certificates. Share deposits were up overall by 4% over last year. Share certificate grew by 32.67%. Money market shares grew to 41.2%. Loan interest is up almost 13%, and the Visa portfolio rose to 6.4%. With loan growth comes a higher delinquent rate. This in turn caused the allowance account to be increased by 48%. Dividends but paid back to members increased 48%. At this time, I would like to introduce Ms. Lynn Sawyer, Supervisor Committee Chair.
Thank you, Ms. Holly. Good evening, everyone. First, I would like to introduce the Supervisory Committee members. Brittany Branch, Alice Capehart, and Thomas E. Richardson, who retired as a longtime member of this committee in January of 2025. I will now give the report of our auditors, A. Room, Smith and Company. The audit was dated September 30th, 2024. The credit union received an unqualified opinion on the financial statements dated September 30th, 2024. So the annual audit actually covered the period of October 1st, 2023 through September 30th, 2024. This means the financial statements, as reported, were fairly stated in all material respects. The credit union saw an increase in loans of 4% in 2024. The increase was predominantly in credit cards and auto loans. Your unfunded commitments, the amounts members can borrow but have not yet borrowed, is $4,288,171. Effective for fiscal years beginning after December 15, 2022, new guidance related to ASC Topic 326 financial instrument credit losses which is also called CECL, CECL, is in effect. The new guidance, number one, eliminates the probable initial recognition threshold in current GAAP, that's GAAP, and instead reflects a credit union's current statement of all expected credit losses over the contractual terms of its financial assets. Number two, it broadens the information that an entity can consider when measuring credit losses to include forward-looking information. Number three, it requires timely inclusion of forecasted information informing expectation of credit losses. Number four, it requires additional information about credit quality indicators by year of origination. The credit union has implemented this guidance and as a result has a one-time charge to members' equity of $37,937. The allowance for credit losses has been increased to $117,727, up from $45,031 in the prior year. Charge-offs for the year were $116,848. Recoveries were $16,489, and the provision for credit losses was $173,055. The credit union paid dividends to members totaling $131,855. That was in 2024, and compared to $85,332 in 2023. And let me make a correction on that. That was $131,852 in 2024. And number seven, the credit union is considered well capitalized, 8.3% in 2024 compared to 7.6% in 2023. We would like to thank the credit union management and staff for their assistance in the performance of our audit. As always, we are available to answer any questions you may have. And this is from A. Rome Smith and Company. Now, the members were given the opportunity to vote for the board of directors online as well as in our main branch. Now, I will give the results of the election. The number who voted, we had 58. We had the following that were re-elected to serve the terms indicated below. Rita Raphael, 4-year term, and Jacqueline Smith Watson, 4-year term. We'd like to thank you for voting. I will now turn the meeting back over to the Board of Directors Chairman, Mr. Cornelius Chambers, for the adjournment.
Thank you, Ms. Bird. Sorry, I'm sorry. Is there any unfinished business?
No.
Is there any new business?
No.
We will now adjourn the 71st annual meeting of the Hampton Roads Educated Credit Union. And Karen Oy will now introduce our scholarship committee and the 2025 scholarship recipients.
Thank you, Mr. Chambers. So first of all, I would like to thank our scholarship committee for this year. It was Donald Sandridge, who's the chairman, Michael Bryce, and Alice Daniels. This year we had 4 scholarship winners, and we want to congratulate them. For the Career Development Scholarship, we actually gave out 3 this year: John Glasgow, Lily Riff, and Zaina Weems. They all will receive $1,000 from the Career Development Scholarship. Our Masters of Education Scholarship this year will go to Miss Anna Candelario, and she will receive a $1,500 scholarship. We thank all the scholarship recipients that applied this year. They were very impressive. And we also want to continue to congratulate our 2025 scholarship recipients. Thank you. All right, last but not least, door prizes. After we confirm those who attended, not just registered, our 71st annual meeting, we will use the Google random generator to select the winners of the prizes. Our grand prize this year is $500, and we have additional cash prizes ranging from $50 to $100. We will contact the winners tomorrow morning and list them on our HRECU.org website. Good luck to everyone, and thank you once again for joining us this evening. We look forward to our continued financial relationship and hope that you will refer your family and eligible coworkers to join. We want you to please go to our website, which has a lot of information on things that can benefit you and your family, and then give us a call if you have any questions. And again, I want you to always remember our tagline: we are large enough to serve you, yet we're small enough to know you. Thank you and have a good evening, and thank you once again for joining us. Good night.